Jesha, Love Over Money, is a channel that believes in the motto, no problems, only solutions. Stories from around the world, like the strongest typhoon to hit land in history. People that chose alternative lifestyle, like sailing across oceans on a 30-foot sailboat. The people and culture, like the Philippines, that chose love and family values to survive. You will find our channel, leaving positive memories and some tears.
Come
Come
aboard
aboard
our channel,
Jesha,
Love Over Money. Greta, a 16-year-old, one of the reasons we're doing this program is she sailed across the Atlantic without any fossil fuels, and she didn't leave a footprint. And you know what? Neither did I. I sailed across the Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean without any land in between, with no engine, solo, and on a 30-foot sailboat. I didn't outdo her. I think the point is to realize that our Earth is valuable and God wants us to be good stewards of our beautiful planet. And if we don't do something, like in 10 years, we may not have the planet that we liked. And we love you. Keep subscribing. Fair winds, falling seas, and clear night skies. Dead calm in the middle of the Pacific. The most unusual part of this shot across the Pacific, it's underwater and you can see the rudder and the wind vane along with the deep blue sea of the Pacific. Understanding that I'm the only one on board with a camera affixed to the pole, and I'm shooting everything and I'm solo with no engine, no carbon footprint. There's hardly a wind, and it's almost like you can see God just reaching his hand to the sky. And that's one of the things about sailing solo, that you must experience it yourself. Hardly any wind, and the boat is still sailing at 6 knots. And if you look at the sky, it's like God is reaching his hand to the water. And it's an experience that everyone must feel. As I said earlier, as the climate changes, if you experience it in real life, you'll understand the importance. The problem is we are across the Pacific and there are 2 cyclones behind me building up from Mexico. And ahead of me is a typhoon building in the North Pacific. I have to make the decision. Do I go to Hawaii or do I keep going south nonstop to the Philippines? And I'm having problems with my legs. It's only traveling 6 knots and I'm sailing about 5 knots. So the storm is going to catch me. I know this. So I have to prepare the boat and get ready for a major storm. It's very rough out tonight. Rain squalls, you're really not. So I'm gonna have blowing for say big knots in the waves right now. So hang on. Routine, rain gear, and I'll go. And get head out. Okay. He's talking to me. I've been talking to him. Every time I say hello. How are you? I mean, these animals just don't make noise for no reason at all. What is he telling me? I mean, he's an intelligent animal, and he's communicating these sounds for a reason. I'm going to try to talk like, it doesn't have to make sense, but like I'm trying to communicate with him, if you know what I mean. Obviously he's not going to understand my language, but he'll understand that I'm trying to talk to him. I'm trying to talk to you! Do you need some help? Would you like to go? Would you like to sail?
1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Like me.
No, from the top. From the top. Go.
Amazing grace, how sweet that sound. Next,
Go on,
I don't know.
Say, go on.
That, no?
Saved a wrench like me?
That saved a rich like me.
Guys, yun naman.
One. Lost. Lost.
I don't know.
But now I'm free.
But now?
But now I'm free.
Ano pa bro?
No. I'm free.
I do not know what
Okay.
to do.
Okay, from the top again. From the top. Amazing. I know that part. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, and see a rich like me.
I once was lost.
I once
Was lost.
was lost,
But now I'm found.
but
Now I am found.
I found. Next.
But now I am blind. But I see.
But I see.
I don't think the words are exactly right, but we're close, right? I was once blind, and then now I can.
Yarrow.